Hi again, and welcome back to the last video, on our C5DK blog package. In this last video, I will explain about the small goodies we also supply in the package. These small things will make it even easier to make a great blog on your site. So let's head over to the blog page. Here in the blog, we've already talked about setting up the basics and setting up the blog, and we already talked about a few essential blocks that's included in the C5DK blog package, such as their blog button, that is essential to make our blog work, and by that, necessary to include on your blog pages. We also talked about the blog topic system, and how to set it up on your site. So, let's start with another little block that we supply in our package. All the small additional blocks is included to make the blog more easy to navigate. So the first block I will talk about is placed on every blog page. So let's go to a blog page. Every user that is reading your blog should always be able to easily get back to the blog root list page. Therefore we supplied this simple back to blog list link block that you can insert on your blog pages. By clicking on this link, we simply jump back to the blog root page. This block has no settings, and by that it's easy to use. The next block that I want to talk about is our blog header block. We have tried out our C5DK blog package in a few different themes, and by that found out that some themes do supply a lot of blog functionality, and other themes simply do not. So we decided to supply you with all tools needed to create a great blog experience. So let's head over to the blog page to insert this blog header block, so you can see what it will do on your blog page. Here on the blog page, we do not see who has written this blog, and we do not see when this blog is published. So let's include our blog header block. We need to do this in a stack because our header content is contained in a stack. So, we go to the stacks in the dashboard. And here, find our C5DK header stack. In here, we simply need to add the blog header block to the stack. We do this by clicking on their Add Block button, and then find the block to insert. Here you simply click on the block, and the header block is added to the stack. There is no settings. You see that the blocks simply supply your blog with a posted by line, included with publishing date information. Remember to approve changes in this stack, or you will not see the changes on your pages. Let's head back to the blog page to see the changes. You will now see that the posted by header block is added to the header of the page, and you will now supply your users with valuable information about your blog. Let's head back to the blog root page. As already said, we are supplying you with the tools to make a great blog, and we already explained about the topic list. So the next block we will talk about is the tags block. We will insert it here in the sidebar, so let's put the page into edit mode. And now add the tags block to the page. Click on the sidebar area, and choose Add Block. When in the block panel, simply click on the tags block. Here in the dialog, we will write the title, Tags, and we want to supply the tags from the entire site. Let's limit the amount of tags displayed to 20, and choose this blog root page as the search target. Oops, wrong page. Let's try again. And now click on Add. What you see now is the standard Concrete5 tag cloud, but we have supplied a few cool jQuery animated tag clouds that will make your blog look great. Let's add one of these templates. First we choose the Concrete5 template. This template is more a tribute to Concrete5. So it is probably a little too much for your blog. But, we have added another, more anonymous template. Let's try that. As you see, it is not that difficult to change the look. So, to make your own design, you only have to change a few pictures. But to do this, is not included in the tutorial. The last thing I will talk about, is their date navigation block. So let's add this to our page. The date navigation block is in the same way as topics and tags, a page list filtering block. So by that, there is some simple settings that need to be done. First we need to decide from where it will filter pages. But because our blog pages is underneath this page, we will not set it to parent page. But we need to tell which page type to look for. Here we will choose our C5DK Blog English page type. We do not want to redirect to another page. And the title is OK. So we click Add. You will now see the standard Concrete5 date navigation block. But, let's add our C5DK date navigation template. We are now finished with the date navigation block, and we are also finished with our page. So, let's finish up by publishing our changes. That's it. We are finished. If you look closely, you will see that all the templates now has the same design. And they will fit nicely together. We have now added block templates to all the filtering blocks on the page. So, let's finally look at our blog page to summarize. We already added our header block, and we added our back to root blog page. But remember, also to add the tags and date navigation blocks to your blog page's sidebar. That will give an even better navigation experience for your blog readers. This concludes our documentation on installation on our C5DK blog package. We really hope that you will get a great blog experience with this Concrete5 package. We made a lot of effort in making it, so there is only one last thing to say. Please do write great blogs. And from all of us here in Concrete5 Denmark, see you in our other tutorials. Bye.